Hey there, productivity seekers! In today's video, we're going to introduce you to a powerful tool that can automate your tasks and give you more time to focus on what truly matters. ChatGPT. It is an AI-powered language model that can streamline your workflows, help you tackle repetitive tasks, and boost your overall productivity. In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT effectively and reclaim your time. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding ChatGPT. It is a language model powered by AI, and it can understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. An AI expert says ChatGPT can answer questions, provide suggestions, and perform tasks with remarkable accuracy and efficiency. 2. Getting started with ChatGPT. To get started, you can access ChatGPT through various platforms and APIs. If a user says, "Hi ChatGPT, can you help me with scheduling tasks?" ChatGPT, "Of course, let's get started. Please provide me with the details." 3. Automating repetitive tasks. ChatGPT can automate repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time. If a user says, ChatGPT, can you create social media posts for the upcoming week? ChatGPT, absolutely. What content and hashtags would you like to include? Similarly, it can include almost of the content accurately. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the power of ChatGPT to automate tasks and free up your time. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, you can streamline your workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and enhance your productivity. So go ahead and explore the endless possibilities with ChatGPT to create more space for what truly matters in your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who can benefit from ChatGPT. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on maximizing productivity with AI.